like a boss.
Alright, ladies, let's talk about a three-step formula to make him miss you, alright? And this formula is not the overall formula, right? But it's just a basic template that goes within the grain of human psychology that makes people miss you. And this is more about hacking the human brain to make a man miss you. Like you're hacking male psychology to make him miss you, right? And we're playing on insecurities. We're playing on abandonment. It's fucked up, right? But it's what usually happens. I'm just putting it into words, and it sounds fucked up, but that's what happens usually. How we fall in love. We fall in love through, in a way, traumatizing ourselves. It's just fucking weird, but it's one of those things I'm doing my own research on. All right. So let's begin this, right? And again, it's a three-step formula, all right? And it's not like I'm bullshitting with you guys, right? But let's begin this and I'll explain, right? By the way, guys, I will be going to Amsterdam. I'm going to Europe, right? So here you guys will see the dates when I'm going to Europe. I'm going to Amsterdam, Berlin, and London, and I'm going to be doing a mastery seminar. There, we're going to be talking about social, spiritual, and practical mastery. It's really good shit. I want you guys to check it out. Okay. Every week the price will go up by $10 until it goes up to 100, which is the original price. All right. So, let's begin this. All right. So look, the first step to making him miss you, is this. You guys have to get your head out the gutter and believe in that you have to be nice to get people to like you. It's not how it works. To get people, you want people to respect you. What comes out of respect is what really matters, because when you prioritize liking you over respecting you, you end up getting fucked, and you end up getting people who are acting fake around you. So in order to gain people respect, it's very simple, man. Like, outside of being someone who respects themselves, there's something that you could do to actually increase your aura, right? And I'm actually talk about this in my course, the psychological game of attraction. In my part, it's called how to create a reputation in that part. And the way you do this is this, man. First of all, stop smiling so much, right? When you were a child, you were taught to be nice. I even hear this with parents, like, be nice, always be polite, always be respectful. Fuck that shit, man. You gotta stop being so nice with people. So what you gotta do is stop smiling so much, stop being so referential, stop saying yes so much, stop putting others above yourself, and literally start being more selfish. So it's very simple, man. When you're around your man, right? The thing is that when you like someone, you stop acting like yourself. So if you're naturally cold, you won't act cold with the guys that you like. So this is when you actually have to make the effort to act this way. So that means don't smile too much, right? That means move slower, speak slower. Move slower, speak slower. When someone talks to you, move slower. Melissa, you don't want that. You want Melissa. Yes. You want that slowness of pace. Literally, move slower, speak slower. Don't sound retarded. Just speak slower and take your time with things. The next thing, like I said, don't smile too much. The next thing is learn to speak without speaking, right? So if somebody says, "Do you like it?" rather than saying, "Yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool." You're like, "Yeah," like, get in the habit of speaking less. You know what I'm saying? And also when it comes to texting, say less over text. Get in the habit of saying less. Try to say to yourself, "Can I shorten this 50%?" Let me see what else. Take a little bit longer to respond. Take like double your response time. When you like the guy, that's what I'm saying. When you like the guy, double your response time. By the way, if you guys are liking this, subscribe, because I know some of you guys don't subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys get notified when I'm making the video. I want to see my notification gang on the comments down below. All right. That's a hint of coldness. A hint of coldness. If you do this, you will have that hint of coldness. The next thing is that you want to cancel plans from time to time, right? Because when it comes to missing you, when somebody misses you, they were anticipating that you were not going to be there. You see what I'm saying? So because when you miss someone, you kind of knew that you were going to miss them, but that you were afraid of the inevitable. It's almost like when somebody that you love is going to die and you're with them knowing that they're going to die. So you want to be able to cancel plans so that they don't know when it's the next time you're going to cancel plans. But your canceling of the plan has to have an excuse, a valid excuse that doesn't promote resentment or him getting back at you for doing that. So what I want you to do is always be on time, always be consistent. But then, one out of every 5 to 4 dates cancel. All right. By the way, people, I made this video in Spanish, so if you guys want to see the Spanish version of this video, go to the link below. So cancel your plans once every 5 dates. And also this is the second step. On the third step is when you're gonna do this. You first have to cancel the plan so that you could do this, right? So once every 4 dates, cancel plans, right? So once you cancel the plan, then you're gonna be busy for 2 weeks, because then the canceling of the plan could potentially mean in his head, is this the start of the breakup? Because that's how breakup starts. You're like, oh shit, like she canceled the plans. And now she's busy. What the fuck, right? So when you cancel the plan, make it as, I'm canceling the plan because I'm busy with work, or I'm canceling the plans because my friends want to hang out, and I don't want to cancel on them. You want him to feel like you want him to feel like you're putting others above him. What that's gonna do, that's gonna create anxiety, right? And that anxiety then is gonna make him say, fuck, I want to see her again. But now, boy, I'm busy. I'm more busy at work. And for the next week, I'll be busy. Next week, how about next week? Or I'm gonna be super busy this week. Let's try it in 2 weeks, right? And you say that you have training or whatever the fuck. A girl did that to me once, and she said that she had school, she had work training, and that's why she had to be more busy, right? And it was actually true. But the point is that before she did that though, she canceled a date. And then she told me she was busy for the next 2 weeks. I don't know about that, but it was true, right? But the point is that when you do that in succession, on top of me thinking that you have a coldness to your attitude, man, I'll miss you, man. Get the fuck out. I'm gonna miss you. And in the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be thinking of you. I'll be contacting you, but you are not gonna be initiating contact. You let me initiate contact. So that means that in the next week, you're not gonna be initiating contact because you're busy. But you'll notice though is that he's gonna be initiating it. You're gonna keep your text messages short. You're gonna remove all the LOLs and ha-has, and you're gonna say no to his meetups. You're gonna be busy, right? Because he's gonna be initiating the contact, and you'll see. Trust me, this is cynical. It's cynical and fucked up, but it works. It's one of those formulas I give my clients, and it's kind of like, if you're doing this, just be nice. But this fucking works. But it's diabolical, man. And I teach this in my course. It's psychological game of attraction. All right, ladies, this is it, man. Look, man, be nice with this. This is actually something that really works. If you guys want to learn more, go to the link below. I made a summary on the link below. There's an article version on the link below. And if you guys want to attend my seminar, you guys know where to go, all right? This is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. You guys be safe. And look, man, this is something that this is a strategy that I'm actually going through with one of my clients. He's a monthly client. You guys know I have the monthly coaching. And it's kind of crazy, man. It's how predictable this is. It's pretty predictable. It works all the time. It's fucked up. Like, it really is fucked up how much it works. But we're humans, man. We're not as strong as we say we are. All right, people, you guys be safe, and I hope you guys enjoy this.
All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these 3 phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up or and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that, specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your nonverbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is what and is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase. And this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, the term manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right? And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this, all right? See you guys inside.